So Castiglione's first theorem, it states that if there is any system in equilibrium under the action of a set of forces W1 Wn and corresponding displacement, that is delta 1 delta 2 up to delta n, and a set of moment m1 to mn and corresponding rotation phi 1 to phi n, then the partial derivative of the total strain energy with respect to any of these force of moment taken individually will give the corresponding displacement in its direction of action. So it means that what is means, it means the du upon dw1, that will give you the deflection, right? So a partial derivation of u with respect to the force, with respect to this force, that will give you the delta, that is a deflection, and the partial derivation of energy with moment will give you the corresponding rotation, right? So suppose here we consider one body, right, and which is simply supported at 2 point. We have one body, and that is subjected to different forces, that is W1, W2 and W3 and W4 and so on. So it is supported at A and B, right? So here you will have the force reaction, that is reaction at A and reaction at B, RB. So if you want to find the total strain energy, then your u will be 1/2 W1 into delta 1 plus 1/2 W2 into delta 2, and it will up to the W 1/2 Wn into delta n. So individual energy stored due to the force, and you sum out this total, that will be the total strain energy, So indirectly, if we want to find out that the equation of this particular strain energy, then the new strain energy will be u plus, because initially the force was 0, right, and that will be w, so it is very small force, right? W1 is a very small force at the initial, so there will be a very small deformation, right? So energy into partial derivation of u to W1 into dW1, that is the small amount of the force, and if you just write down the same thing, that is d delta u upon W1, so that is what is called your deflection, right? So u plus delta 1 into dW1. So it means that your delta 1 will be the delta u upon delta W1, right? So this is how you have the equation for the strain energy. Now we move further in the same topic,